Welcome back to Chuck Chews. Today we're going to have Campbell's Chunky Creamy Chicken and Dumplings Soup. Another pour it in the bowl or pot, eat it, eat it. Eat it and eat it. Chicken with no antibiotics. That's good because that's the law. I just love how companies tout that they're using chicken with no antibiotics when it's the law and they have to. They're like they're doing something special for us. You're not doing anything special for us. You can also microwave this, put it in a microwave safe bowl, and put it in the microwave. Although it doesn't say for how long. Oh, here we go. They put why they say heat microwave directions over here, and then they put the other direction finishing directions over here. Yeah, 2.5 to 3 minutes in the microwave. Uh, Campbell Soup Company, Camden, New Jersey, contain bioengineered food ingredients. What doesn't anymore? Ingredients from Canada, or I thought this said Canada. Canola, corn, soy, sugar. I'm pretty sure there might be products in here from Canada. I don't know. I don't know where they grew all that stuff. Uh, two conservings. Man, I am having a I can't talk day. I've had a few of those lately. Don't you nudge those blinds, dog? You just went out. Uh, Nutritional facts: two servings, about two servings per container. Serving size is 1 cup. Uh, yeah. All right. I'm going to give can sizes here for stuff. 370 calories a can. Total fat 21 grams. Cholesterol 70 milligrams. Sodium 1930. I think that's like one of the highest ones I've ever seen on any meal. Wow. Total carbs 29 grams. Protein 16 grams. Wow, 1900 and some. That's. All right, I'm gonna put a little pepper on this. It everything in here seems to be one note. There are a lot of carrots in this, I can tell you that. I really usually don't. We make some homemade dumplings and we don't put carrots in it. We do put celery. We don't put the peas in it. And is there any other weird things in there? Looks like there might be green beans in there too. Is there a thing that actually says waddles in here? No, the picture isn't too clear, and I don't want to read through that 10-mile long list of stuff that's in it. All right. One thing I don't see much of is chicken. Oh, there's a piece of chicken. The chicken kind of looks eerily like the dumpling or the carrots. All right, let's see what the chicken does. I'm gonna scoot this back a little closer. Probably gonna need one of these. Chicken's tender, not much flavor. If it wasn't for the sauce, I guess you call it, it's wouldn't have any flavor at all. Yeah, the actual creamy sauce here is not bad. It's pretty good. Sodium bomb, but pretty good. Dumplings. Hmm. Hmm. I just got a bit of a sweet flavor, like chocolate. And I haven't had any yet today. Oh, that's weird. Hmm. Dumplings are dumplings. I'd say this would be good if they would cut back on the amount of sauce, put a little more chicken in it, make chicken better. They got too much going on with all the other stuff. The peas, green beans, carrots, too much of all that going on. Yeah, when we make ours, we usually just put celery in it. If we didn't put celery in it, we'd probably put peas in it. If we didn't put those in, at some point you get a little too much going on. And see, I thought that was a piece of chicken and dumpling, and I ended up with two pieces of dumpling. I think I'm going to end up with the same thing again here. Really struggling to find the chicken. There was a tiny piece. I keep grabbing things I think are chicken, and they're actually the little dumplings. Overall, it's not bad. It's just needs more chicken, less of the sauce, a little too much of the sauce. Of course, with me, you can never have too many dumplings. So, but if you've ever had the Chunky's, the Campbell's chunky creamy chicken and dumplings, let me know in the comments below what you thought. See, look at that picture. That picture, you can see everything. Like, I'm gonna do a scoop. Does that look anything like it? Nope, way more sauces here. But let me know in the comments below what you think. Like it or not. Till the next video.